Right, so this is my 2006 KTM 125SX. The petcock on the gas tank is leaking. So the problem we're having is it's leaking from behind here where the O-ring is, but it's not the O-ring that's the fault, it's the threads that have gone into the plastic tank. They've stripped out, so what I'm going to do is remove the tank and try and repair this. So the first job to do is remove the seat, which is just one 8mm bolt. And the next job is to remove the shrouds. It's just one 8mm bolt here and then four 6mm bolts. We need to remove the hose. Lift the tank off. Now we've got the petcock off, you can see the problem we're having with KTM's flaw in the design, having these coarse threads that just go directly into plastic, and what's happened over time, it's been over tightened and just strip the threads out. So what my idea is to take part of this M6 bolt, cut it to the right length to fit the hole, get it as tight in there as I can and epoxy it in, and hopefully that should be strong enough to hold the O-ring sealed. So what I've got to do next is cut this to the right length. And we'll just use a small amount of epoxy to help that stick. I think I'm going to leave this side because it's not, that one's not stripped out, and if I need to do it in the future I can just Okay, so we've given that a few minutes, put some weight towards this side of the bike, plenty of fuel in there. And that appears to be bone dry, which is a successful repair.